Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we do mobile home clean with me's, cleaning motivation videos, mobile home makeovers, and things like that. In today's video, we are cleaning this mobile home after I have been sick, and we are cleaning that fish tank out because it looked a hot mess. So here we are at Petland. We did a little bit of research on YouTube, and we decided to buy some real life plants to help with our algae problem in our fish tank, and I spent $86 there. But you can see our fish tank is really green. So we brought a new filter, and the lady told us basically we had to throw everything away out of the tank and get all new things because the algae spores were going to just keep growing back. Even though we rinsed the tank out, she was like we would have to bleach things multiple times in order for us to get rid of the algae. So we decided to take the fish out and just throw everything away that was in the fish tank and bleach the fish tank, and we had to rinse it out several times before putting the fish back in there. So it's all clean now. We're adding our rocks and our plants and everything that we brought. Now just showing you the fish because we usually put them in this little pitcher. We don't drink out of that pitcher. It's totally for the fish. And so we're adding them back in now. And Madeline is so excited. The fish tank looks so good. It still looks really good. So now I'm just moving everything out of the way because water got all over the floor. And I just wanted to clean that area really good and get it back to where it was. So this room was a hot mess. I slept out here one night because I didn't want to get anybody else sick. Actually, my daughter got me sick, and then I didn't want to get Desmond sick. So I came out here and I slept outside in the den. And I was just like, oh my God, it looks a mess out here. So we're about to get ready to reset this area and just get it back in tip-top shape. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and tune in next time.